Cheap seed starting supplies at Walmart. Hello, welcome to 7 Savings Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. Cheap seed starting supplies at Walmart. So here they have some good greenhouse seed starting greenhouse kits right here, and these ones are $1.47. You can get your seed starting greenhouse kit right here. They have a different variety of them. I'll show you when we get to the next section. Over here they have small 3. They have 12 peat pots. These are biodegradable peat pots that you can easily plant them with your plants or your seedlings, and they will break down, and your roots can continue to go into the soil. And these ones are $1.86. Same with these ones, the same thing over here, $1.86. And so these are biodegradable pots that you can use. They have seed starting mix over here, and their seed starting mix, this is $4.67. You can get your seed starting mix like this, and you can start your seeds, and this should be able to cover at least the 72 cell trays, and then you can use them for some other stuff. So their prices are much cheaper. If you watch my last video where I went to Home Depot, their prices were a little bit more. I think they were a little bit more expensive than this, but you can get your seed starting mix at Walmart. You can also get them at other garden centers and even online. I'll put a link in the description below for some of the good seed starting supplies that you can get. Over here, this is a tray, 72 cell tray that you can use to start your seeds, and these are very good in terms of the depth for the it gives enough depth for the roots to go down. As you can see in the picture, it's really nice and long, and it gives the roots a lot of room for them to go down, and it also provides easy wicking of water to the plants during the seed starting process. This one is the same as the cell that I showed you before. This is a 72 cell. This is very good for starting your seeds, and it provides everything that your seeds needs in terms of water, in terms of enough light, because the greenhouse provides some moisture, and light can easily go through the greenhouse covers. So this one is a smaller pack. It's a 12-pack greenhouse seed starting kit. If you intend to start just small number of seeds, then you can use a smaller pack like these. But the bigger one, if you're gonna plant a lot of seeds, you want to go with the bigger one. The bigger one is $7.47, and the small one is $2.96 for the 12 packs. And here is the same. The grow tray that I was just talking about is the same. This one is a tray, and it has the greenhouse covers on it too, and this is $4.87. This is a medium size, I'll say medium to large size peat greenhouse set. This one is a 16 peat pallets, and these ones are good if you're gonna plant like tomatoes, and the tomatoes are gonna last, or the plant, either tomatoes, peppers, if they're gonna last in there for at least 6 weeks or more before you transplant it. These ones would be great for that, because the peats are bigger and they can last longer. They can grow bigger plants before you transplant them, as opposed to the other ones that are really small. So if you're gonna grow some stuff for like 6 or 8 weeks, and you want them to grow fully before you transplant them, you want to use a bigger container like this. Same with if you're gonna let your tomatoes grow for like 2 months before you transplant them, you want to use bigger containers like these, where you just plant them in there and they're just gonna grow and expand then you don't have to transplant them to another pot before you transplant them to the garden or to a bigger container. So you can do that, or you can just transplant it from smaller container to a bigger container without going through that process. Here they have a 25 peat pallet greenhouse kit. This one you should be able to have 25 plants in there or more. If you put more in a particular peat pallet, definitely grow a variety of these. And these ones are $5.93. And down here you have seed starting system. This is self-contained seed starting system. It has the water and it absorbs the water from the bottom, and it also has a lot of wicking effect when you have it also comes with your cell this that you use for self-watering. So this is a complete kit that you can get. This is $9.96, but it's a 36 cell, not a 72 cell kit. This one is also a 36 cell kit, but it's, like I said, it's a bigger peat pallets that you can use for growing your plants. Here is a biodegradable 8-pack cells, and there are 4 of them, 32. And these ones you can just cut it. They're made of cardboard, and then you can just plant it into the ground like that, and it should be, the roots continue grow into the into the soil. So you can just transplant it, cut it. It's biodegradable. You can do that with those. This one is the same thing, but it comes with a greenhouse moisture control cell that would help you maintain the moisture in your greenhouse. So here they have different variety of containers. Here they have different sizes of the containers. You have the large ones, you have these medium-sized containers right here, and you have different sizes. These are 7-pot holding trays that you can use, and these ones that can hold 7 individual plants, and you can grow bigger plants in them and flowers in them with no problem. And these are the peat pallets. If you have the tray already and you just want peat pallets to start your seeds, you can buy this is 36. So if it's 72 cell tray, you're gonna buy 2 of these, and the price is $3.18. I think it's much cheaper than other places. So this one's $3, or you can just buy a seed starting organic seed starting block like this. This is all you need to do is put it in a container and just put water, and it expands, and you can use it to start your seeds. And these ones are $2.38. Over here they have grow lights. If you're gonna grow start your seeds indoors or grow curtains, you need indoor lights. If you're gonna start your seeds indoors, you need you need a grow light like this. This grow light will provide light for your seedlings, and it would help them do well at the beginning stages of the growth. If you don't have a greenhouse or you don't have a good window sill where you can grow them, you need a grow light like this, and you want to make sure that the grow light is about 4 inches from the seedlings themselves. It's going to help provide enough sunlight for your seedlings. And this one is $37.96. So these are some of the things that you need to start your seeds. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them. I'll try to answer as many as possible. I hope this video helped you out in terms of what you want to do when you start your seeds. Hopefully this helps you out, and I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to share. Thanks for watching. Happy growing, and stay safe.